A brownie is a flat baked square or bar that was developed at the end of the 19th century in the United States. A brownie is a cross between a cake and a cookie in texture. Brownies come in a variety of forms, fudgy and cakey, depending on their density. They may include nuts, whipped cream, frosting, chocolate chips, or other ingredients. A variation made with brown sugar and no chocolate is called the blondie. The original recipe for a brownie featured apricot glaze and walnuts. All this talk about brownies is making me hungry, so grab a glass of milk and let's get cooking.
In a large bowl, combine 1 cup of butter and 2 cups of sugar. Mix in 4 eggs, one at a time. Add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla, a half a cup of cocoa powder, a half teaspoon of baking powder, a half teaspoon of salt, and 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Wait a minute, I need to go get my trusty wooden spoon. There we go. Mix well until everything is combined. Pour batter into a 9 by 13 baking pan. Spread the batter out to the corners. Bake at 350 degrees for 20 to 30 minutes.